Well, hey, welcome to a video. We're going to be showing you the basics of industrial craft.
And then, the more episodes we're gonna make, they're gonna get more and more advanced.
So yeah, if you're newbies, just like made a new Tekkit world, absolutely no idea what to do, we're going to show you everything that you need to know just to like get a simple power flow going. So as you can see, we have our generator, or bat box, compressor macerators connected to our solar panels and water mills.
Alright, and these are the first things that you're gonna need. First of all, you're gonna need a generator. That's gonna give you energy. You can put wood, coal, charcoal, blaze rods, anything you want.
This is how you craft one.
Yeah.
The RE battery does not need to be full. Okay, just so you know. Also, go to page 2. You can also use machine blocks instead of electric furnaces. Pause that if you want. So that's the first part, and we place it down wherever you want, I guess. So there.
Okay, and then the next thing you're gonna need is from
copper cable.
Yes, copper cable.
It's easy to make, really. To make it, you see all this fancy stuff right here. You can just use the regular black rubber. It doesn't need to be as complicated as it looks. So you just use regular black rubber, any kind of copper you get. Use it to connect machines to other machines. If I already have some.
I know. Alright. And then we're gonna... So there's a whole bunch of other power sources. These are just the basic ones. So
the generator, to power it, you need to put coal in or anything that burns, basically.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Even though I already said that. But, yeah, sure.
I didn't hear you say that.
Alright, there's lots of power sources, but these are just the basic ones. We have a solar panel and water mill. To power a solar panel, all it needs to be, it just has to be day, and there can't be any blocks above it.
What about glass?
Yes, but you can use glass. And I don't remember the word. Like, you could use like copper cable. It's not really a full block.
Also, all of these things require refined iron.
Yeah.
All that refined iron is you taking iron and putting it back in the furnace. That's all it really is. And you can use that to make machine blocks. So, like the generator, the recipe is this. The refined iron just doesn't show it in the furnace. Just shows all this other stuff. You can also use the minium stone with one piece of coal to instantly turn it into it. Or the philosopher's stone, whatever you choose. You're not gonna have a philosopher's stone. The next power source is, oh yeah. So let's put the solar panel right here. Now, my solar panel isn't working. It's not giving me any power. What's wrong, Leaf? Besides
and then you need to have a bat box right here to go to the generator and all that stuff.
And make sure the output is facing the right way. So,
yeah.
Like the orange dot is to face the generator, right? Like that.
What?
The cable goes right there. Oops. Run. Yes, so that's second source of power. It's not daytime, so time set. Okay. The solar panel works if you put anything in the generator. Probably power. Actually, it'll go through the bat box first, right? Okay. And then second source of power is bat boxes again, right? Where you use them to...
Oh yes, you could use it to convert energy into low voltage energy, and if you have MFE, medium voltage energy, and an MFU, which
if you wanna add some power to it, if it's not already there, you can just get like a stack of redstone or two. Just throw it in there in the bottom slot, and it's your power. A stack of redstone should do almost all of it. So then you got a full thing of power here. And if you wanted to put something in the generator, like a drill, let's say this doesn't have any power in it, you can set it at the top, and it will power up. This can also be done with the generator. So put it in the bottom slot, or the top slot, with coal underneath, of course. That's only if you don't have a back box or MFE or MFSU. And you got your diamond drill, and you can go drill into the great earths. Now, back to what we were doing. Let's talk about basic machines now.
Alright, basic machines that you're gonna need are a macerator, a compressor, and a compressor. Those are two of the main machines that you're gonna need.
Macerator, compressor, and a compressor. You say compressor twice. Okay. The macerator, what it does is turns things into dust. So, iron to iron dust, gold into gold dust, and stuff like that.
The compressor, it compresses stuff.
Yeah, like if you have, if you want to compress.
Advanced alloy ingots.
Yeah, if you like have a mixed metal ingot, which we'll be talking about later in another video. You put it in there, and it will turn it into a advanced alloy, like smashing it together into one little thing.
Show them how to make them.
I'm gonna make a compressor and a macerator. Again, to make a machine block, it looks like this. To make an advanced circuit, it looks like this, or electronic circuit. A compressor is this. I already showed you that. And macerator is this. There you go. That's your racing machines. Now, what do these watermills do? How do we get them to work? The watermills.
Alright. To use watermills, you're gonna need to have either a bucket or water cells. And you just put them in. And there's a little bucket. And it'll be full. And when you start using up the energy, it slowly starts to drain.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna come through the solar panel. Yeah, if you're gonna have it connected to a bunch of other stuff like this. Like so. And then you'll get all the power you want.
And what I like about watermills is that one generator will make 2 watermills. And as you can see, the buckets are slowly getting drained.
Now let's look at water cells. To make water cells, you combine a bucket together with an empty cell. Oops.
Or you could just right click on a
Empty
water
cell.
block with an empty cell.
So empty cell, it's just tin in a diamond shape. It can be any kind of tin. It can be scrambled up like it shows. And you can hear the water flowing. And then you have suitable power. Also, if you didn't know, to get the rubber that requires, you have to get rubber trees. So, a certain kind of rubber tree that you should get is the one that looks like this. They're usually found in swamps, but can be found everywhere else too. They look like this. They grow with little resin holes on the side, and you need tree taps to get them. That's good. Let's get a tree tap. So I make it. This. And you don't really need to cut down the trees, because once there are no more resin holes, in time, resin holes will come back, and you'll be able to do that. So that's about it for beginner power. See you next video.